हमारे इस कॉन्क्लेव में जो महिलाओं के प्रति समर्पित है उसमें आप शिरकत किए. We women want is not a conclave itself, it is also a part of a movement. It is a movement that celebrates women. It celebrates women from different walks of life who are in different fields, whose stories need to be told and retold again and again. Because women are sometimes often just silent crusaders in different fields of life, and it is sometimes very, very important that their work and their efforts are appreciated. Because the amount of effort that women put up in the household, then they go to work, then they come back home, then they go back to again working the same day without even considering their health, whether they are tired, how difficult it is, and every day is a new opportunity for them. In this country, due to initiatives championed by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, women are coming forward more and more to the forefront and taking the space for themselves, which is truly their own. Shakti Awards, which is named after my mother-in-law, the MLA of Kalka, Srimati Shakti Rani Sharma, is named after her because it is a personification of all that she truly represents. She is Shakti in her own right. She has championed the role of a homemaker, to a businesswoman, to the mayor of Ambala, and now as a public representative of the Legislative Assembly of Kalka, Haryana. So I'd like to take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to everyone who's a part of this initiative, who's a part of this movement. I would also take this time to thank our team, the team NewsX, the team who has been working tirelessly to make this event a success. I would like to thank the Sunday Guardian Foundation, which has been working for causes that I would like to talk more about, but I think this is not the stage and we are running short of time. I would also like to thank ITV Network, which has India News UP, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Punjab, and our national network for their support. I would like to thank our sponsors, which is the government of Uttar Pradesh, the government of Madhya Pradesh and government of Chhattisgarh, the government of Uttarakhand, as well as the government of Haryana. Thank you, and I would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone. Thank you.
ऐश्वर्या जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप इसका सीधा प्रसारण इंडिया न्यूज़ पे देख रहे हैं. यू वाचिंग अ लाइव टेलीकास्ट ऑन न्यूज़ एक्स एंड अक्रॉस ऑल द 9 चैनल्स ऑफ द ITV नेटवर्क. बिफोर वी गेट स्टार्टेड, लेट अस इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू वी विमेन वांट, हम महिलाएं. We've also had the privilege that just 2 months ago, the Prime Minister of the country launched our international channel NewsX World. भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ने हमारे ITV नेटवर्क का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय चैनल NewsX World का 2 महीने पहले ही उद्घाटन किया है. दोनों चीज़ों की चर्चा करते हैं. कृपया स्क्रीन की तरफ देखिए.
We have to encourage women. Family counseling with the woman is very important.
IVF means in vitro fertilization.
People against rapes in India. Empowerment and disability.
Marriage is a sacrament.
Body positivity. Prenups should be made. Like body shame you for no reason.
The Indian woman.
स्त्री पुरुष समानता.
जजमेंट दो, ठीक है, फिर वो हाई कोर्ट जाए तो लाइफ आगे बढ़ेगी.
Women have come forward. We are there in every stream.
Be competent, be really smart, go out and get that great job.
I'm not being a victim. I'm an empowered woman and I know what my rights are in this country.
A lot of women feel, that they're no longer women because they've reached menopause.
Women should have the choice. They should feel safe.
Objectification of women has to be stopped.
Women, when work together, they create magic and they understand each other better than any man could.
Investing in women is ensuring that you're investing in a future which has good returns.
Not allowing a woman to go and visit her parents' home when she wants to, denying her this, is domestic violence.
हाथ में पैसा होना
is the biggest form of empowerment for any women. ये मेरा जो चेहरा है ये मेरी कमजोरी नहीं, यही मेरी ताकत है.
कोई तो माँ के पेट से सीख के नहीं आए, मेहनत करके हम सीखे, कर रहे, कमा रहे, घर चला रहे.
Very rare opportunity for women. Usually we are the ones who are replaced in a sequel.
Shakti Awards goes to Colonel Aarti Chopra, Jaspinder Narula, Krishna Jackie Shroff, Daulat B Khan, Reshma, Saira Bano, Ashu, Priya Ghadi, Veena Tandon,
Sergeant Commander Shazia Khan,
Kritika Kamra, Isha Gupta, Nimrat Kaur Aluwalia,
Shipra Khanna,
Dr. Kashika Jain.
ITV नेटवर्क के फाउंडर और संसद में मेरे साथी कार्तिकेय शर्मा जी, नेटवर्क की पूरी टीम, देश विदेश से आए सभी अतिथि, देवी और सज्जनों, न्यूज एक्स वर्ल्ड इसकी शुभ शुरुआत और इसके लिए मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं. मीडिया के इस तरह के इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं, लेकिन आपके नेटवर्क ने इसे एक नया डायमेंशन दिया है. आपका ये समिट आने वाली कल को समर्पित है. जितने भी मैं इवेंट्स में गया हूं, एक छोटे से कमरे में होते हैं और अपने अपने लोग होते हैं. यहाँ इतने विशाल समारोह को देखना, और वो भी एक मीडिया हाउस के समारोह को, और जीवन के सभी क्षेत्रों को स्पर्श किए हुए लोग यहाँ होना, ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है. इस टेम्पलेट को आने वाले दिनों में दूसरे मीडिया हाउस भी अपने तरीके से और इनोवेटिव बना करके कम से कम उस छोटे कमरे से बाहर निकले. मुझे विश्वास है कि आपका नया चैनल भारत की रियल स्टोरी दुनिया तक पहुंचाएगा. ITV नेटवर्क की पूरी टीम को मैं फिर एक बार ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं.